meaning quite practical or realistic.
Okay. So you are which kind of person?
Yeah,
Pragmatic or not?
quite. I am in between. Sometimes I'm kind of, I'm just dwell in like kind of dreams.
Mhm. Okay, so we met before also, but it would be great if you can introduce yourself again.
Yeah, sure. My name is Nootan and I'm from Mathura. I'm a homemaker and I run a YouTube channel as well. And if I tell you about my qualifications, that I'm graduate from commerce and I'm blessed with 2 kids. Thank you.
Okay, that's nice. So I think you are a YouTuber also, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so okay. Would you like my introduction as well?
Yeah, little bit.
Okay, so as you know, my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my education, so I have done engineering and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube. Yeah, that's all about me.
Good to hear that.
Okay, so when did you started learning this language?
Basically, it's been 3 years since when I started my channel, and it's about speaking, practicing, and all. So I have been doing it from 3 years. But yeah, the experience is all about 2 years, not 3 years, because for straight year I just dropped. Not a single video I made because of getting demotivated and all. And it's been 2 months and a few days since when I got connected with this Skype group. After that, I have been talking with people on every single day, sometimes 3 to 4, sometimes 7 to 8, video, audio, both. So that is how I can say by talking with people, I have gained my confidence.
Okay, yes, I have seen some of videos also. Like you are speaking so well, and now you are speaking as a like advanced speaker. Like I have seen that so many new vocabularies also you are using in your conversation. So would you like to give any suggestion like how we can improve our vocabulary part?
To enrich vocabularies, I think it's very good idea that we need to, whether it's a storybook, any kind of articles, newspaper, when we come across a new word, which I do. I'm telling you on the basis of my experience. Whenever I come across a concrete word, an interesting word, I just write down that. And sometimes I don't have much time. So what I do, I just take a screenshot. And after that, I just brush it up by knowing that meaning. And yes, I just attach the particular word with the meaning in particular example so that I can get it registered in my mind and so that I cannot forget it. Yeah.
Yes, you are right. And yeah, it happens like multiple times. We learn so many things. We get some new vocab also, and we know meaning also. But still, we are not able to use in our conversation. So, what is the reason behind it?
I can say because of lacking of the speaking, practicing, and plunging into any kind of conversation. When you are not regular, meaning you are not accustomed talking with people, you are taking a day off, and maybe you skip the timing. Like you are doing speaking, practicing today, and then you skip 2 and 3 days, and after that again you bounced back. But you are not regular. This means you are lacking your speaking, practicing. So when we are not immersing ourselves with the environment, definitely we will forget the word. It will definitely going to happen, so it's very natural. The thing which we can do, we need to just indulge ourselves in such environment. Basically try to immerse ourselves in such environment, meaning day to day conversation. And if you are fortunate enough, meaning you are having a partner, this means you are fortunate enough. And if it is not, meaning if you don't have any speaking partner, then you can talk with yourself, get yourself recorded, make your own videos and all. Yeah, the at the end of the day, what you have to do, like you have to speak, you have to speak more, so that you can you can just adapt the environment, the ambience. Basically you have to talk in English, and at the end of the day, you are the person and you need to talk. If you want to lose your weight, you have to work out, right? Nobody's
Yeah,
going
right.
to on behalf of yours. So the I can say the conclusion is that speak more. The more you speak, the better you become. Yeah.
Okay, so like all the problem have only one solution. Speak and speak. That's it.
And by speaking again and again, and finding out words and if you come across any word and you just get inculcated that particular word and you use that particular word in some example and by talking with people or having a conversation and you are using that word, this means you are getting registered. You're not going to forget that word. So by talking again and again, like let's say you are having a conversation with somebody, so try to deliberately use that particular word, or maybe you can show that particular word to the other person and ask, and if he or she knows the word, and then that's very good, and if he and she does not know the word, then you define, you explain, you elaborate the word with the meaning and just take the example. That is how you can just get it inculcated.
Yes, yes, absolutely, you are right. Because it happens like I have learned so many words, and today also maybe I have learned some word, but I'm not using it in my conversation. So I feel like that, oh my God, I know that meaning and I know that word also, but still I'm not using that advanced word in my conversation. So it is like basic conversation again and again. So we can do some, we can add some advanced vocab so that it would be look like more advanced and advanced conversation.
Yeah, sometimes we have some, I can say we have some doubts. We are being so skeptical that we do not, initiate a conversation because of, having some kind of fear, fear of getting judged by people, being judged by people. People may laugh at me, mock at me. These kind of, inhibition keeps on going. So we must, combat that. We must fight with that. And how will we do that? Again, the result and the option is that the more we speak, the better we become. So yeah, this is the key line I can say, and I have been saying this line in my all videos.
Yes, yes, you are right. And I think I can say that I have also improved my conversation in last 1 year. And now I can say that I have improved my confidence level also and a little bit fluency also. But yeah, still I need to work on some vocab part and still I feel that I'm lacking here. So I need to work on this.
Yeah, definitely you definitely going to lag behind because you are not, if you are not putting efforts up to the
Hmm.
mark. You are just if you, let's say I'm telling you all the things hypothetically, like if you anyone not doing like speaking practicing on every single day and try to get with a situation and not try to plunge into any kind of conversation, definitely you are not going to get any result. So it is you have to take the decision, you have to take a step ahead.
Hmm. Yes, you are right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So any kind of like vocabularies, if you want me to explain, or idioms or anything else.
Okay, if you have any like in your hand as of now, so you can explain one or two words. It
Yeah.
would be good.
What happens if we
Hmm.
do such kind of activities, then viewers also get benefited
Yes, yes, you're right.
because on a daily basis, just things we are basic things we are doing, so it becomes little bit monotonous. But
Same. Yeah, you are right.
yeah, so first word I would like to take, which is as I told you earlier, skeptical. This means having doubts. Skeptical.
Skeptical. Okay.
Have you heard this word?
No.
And
Yeah, that's.
yeah, so as I told earlier, and I use this word skeptical because if a person having skeptical, this means he's not confident, and he's
Mhm.
having some I can say inhibition. Inhibition is all kind of I can say the person is not sure, not really sure. He's having some doubts. So there we can use skeptical.
Okay. And inhibition means
Inhibition means kind of doubts,
doubts.
fear
Okay.
of fearful doubts.
Doubtful.
The person is not sure basically.
Hmm.
Yeah, the
Yes.
other word I can take ostentatious. Ostentatious means the person is kind of showing off, pretense.
Okay. Showing off.
Have you heard this word? Yeah. And if I tell you like we if we like happen to eat some sweets, let's say
Hmm.
I'm happy to eat some sweets, so we normally say it's really tasty, it's yummy, it's delicious, it's so
Delicious.
sweet. So
Hmm.
other words can be used here, like delectable, palatable, scrumptious,
Okay.
divine.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yes, these are the good words that we can replace it here.
yeah, right, absolutely, absolutely. And there are many, there are many because when like yeah, I use this word inculcated. I think you must get this word.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes.
inebriated, this means a person is quite intoxicated.
In
In
every state.
inebriated,
Okay.
yeah,
It means
inebriated, yeah,
intoxicated.
yeah, intoxicated. The person is quite intoxicated in any kind of alcohol.
Mhm.
There are many,
And most
quit.
of the words, I don't know the meaning also.
Okay,
That is
the,
new for me.
okay. The another word is quintessential. Quintessential.
Quintessential. I think I have heard, but
This
I
means
don't.
quite perfect. Quite perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. When we have to say something or elaborate about any person who is kind of very perfect, he's having kind of perfection, then we can use this word quintessential or quintessential idea. Like was
Hmm.
this?
Yes, yes.
You must heard plethora.
Huh. Yes. It
Uh,
means excessive amount of
yeah, and we
something.
can also use ample.
Ample. It is the same meaning?
Yeah, same.
Okay.
The
Hmm.
another word take pragmatic. Pragmatic meaning quite practical or realistic.
Okay. So you are
Pragmatic.
which kind of person?
Yeah,
Pragmatic or not?
quite. I am in between. Sometimes I'm kind of, I'm just dwell in kind of dreams,
Mhm.
lost sometimes.
Okay.
I'm so practical, so realistic.
But yeah, I think we should be like balanced between both, like emotional and pragmatic. Sometimes being practical, more practical is not too good, especially
Yeah,
in kind of relationship. So it
yeah,
is.
absolutely. And I'm not outspoken. I just can't. I just can't be outspoken, or you can say straightforward. Meaning, see, it is good to become straightforward in any kind of like situation lie in front of you. But sometimes there are relationships, and there you have to keep mum. You
Hmm.
have to just gulp that kind of
Yeah.
thing, bitter things, right? There are some situations, conditions, and there we have to become so much calm and peaceful, to just to calm that particular situation.
Yes. Yes.
And sometimes we need to mollify some other person, like to appease somebody. So there we have to become, then we cannot become practical. When we have to appease somebody, mollify somebody, we need to just shower the love and care.
Hmm.
That yeah.
Okay, you used one word, mollify. What is the meaning of this?
Mollify, we can say calm down, and appease also the meaning is same, calm down, or in Hindi we can say manana.
Okay.
But
Hmm.
is having some kind of he or she agree with you, and he is a kind of resentment. So there, and you think that the relationship is like my priority, so I need to mollify that particular person or appease that particular person for the relationship and all.
Hmm.
They
Hmm.
use.
Yes, I got it. Yeah, these are the nice words because like most of the words, I really don't know the meaning of that word. So I
Okay,
learned so many words today.
so I think
Okay,
it's
so
what do you say?
yes, we can wrap up this call and we can connect and again
Okay,
on
okay,
some different thing. Okay.
okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Nice with you. Thank you.
Yeah, same here. Thank you so much. Bye bye.